Fans don't begin dey react after Wizkid been do something wey make fans now to come dey wonder the kind personality wey be. And wetin be this thing wey Wizkid do? Wizkid, when them invite am for Ilorin, they pay am make come do show. Now as them invite am for show for Ilorin, now Wizkid come go sit down for plastic chair. Now that plastic chair wey Wizkid sit down now, come dey view others this thing event wey they do there. Now he make fans to come dey react. Now a lot of fans come dey talk say truly this guy wey they call Wizkid na better person him be, say he no get pride at all. Now say now from that day na him they take note say truly say Wizkid no get pride at all. Now others come dey talk say na brokenness na him make Wizkid come sit down for plastic chair. Say unto say they pay him little money. Sure you understand now? Say na poverty na him make Wizkid come dey sit down for chair. That is according to Davido fans so now why others come dey talk say according to Davido fans, others come dey talk say this Davido get pride pass Wizkid. Say Wizkid no get pride at all. Sure you understand now? Now you wey dey watch me, who gets pride between Wizkid and Davido? Who gets pride pass? Now Davido gets pride pass Wizkid. I mean now Wizkid gets pride pass Davido. Just drop your opinion for comment section. I aim to share this video. I love you.